Hello, my name is Mauricio Vera, and welcome to the Junghans grandfather clock and Junghans horror overview. These are Kontakt instruments that were made with samples of a real grandfather clock made years ago by Junghans, a German watch and clock manufacturer. The chimes, pendulum, key, weights, and gears were sampled to create instruments that would be useful for music, film, and video game composition. Let's get into it. First, we'll start with the Junghans grandfather clock. This plugin offers a 2-octave range of the clock chimes. It also comes with some sound effects. For example, the sound of a pendulum which is looped. 2 gear noises, one of which is looped and has a release trigger. Two key sounds. Hour chimes. A hammer sound, and 2 gear sounds that come from the weights, which are looped and have release triggers. This instrument also offers ADSR, low-pass, and high-pass filter knobs. Now, onto the Junghans horror. This instrument offers a creepy ambient sound that can be manipulated through the ADSR, low-pass, and high-pass filter knobs. That is basically it for the overview. I made some music as an example of what can be done with all of this. It's something that would fit a horror or thriller movie. Enjoy! If you would like to try the instrument for yourself, the download link is in the description. Thanks for watching.